Discover the ultimate adventure in one of the world's most stunning locations, Costa Rica. Imagine lush jungles, turquoise waters, and pristine beaches. Join our TEFL course in Manuel Antonio, where you'll train in modern classrooms with real Spanish-speaking students, just minutes from the beach. Experience the thrill of snorkeling, scuba diving, and surfing, or explore the trails teeming with exotic wildlife like howler monkeys and sloths. Our TEFL course is your passport to job opportunities in exotic and culturally fascinating locations worldwide, with lifetime job assistance included. Our training center in Quepos offers 9 classrooms, a large kitchen, a swimming pool, and even a co-working space, all in a secure, convenient location. Immerse yourself in Costa Rican culture with a home stay, where you'll enjoy private rooms and meals, and practice your Spanish skills daily. Our course fees cover all lessons, teaching practice, assessments, and certificates, ensuring you have everything you need to succeed. Take the leap and apply for our TEFL course in Costa Rica today. Experience life in one of Central America's most prosperous countries and open doors to a world of opportunities.